Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a Twitch account in a Twitch application on your iPhone, iPad or Android devices. So you have a Twitch account logged into a Twitch application which you want to log out but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Twitch account in a Twitch application in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Twitch account in a Twitch application is open a Twitch application. Once you open the Twitch application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to log out from this device. So once you do it, what you want to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Now from there, what you want to do is simply go into account settings. Once you go into account settings, you land an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is simply tap on this logout button in order to log out of this account from this Twitch application. Once you do that, a pop-up warning like this will open, asking you whether you want to log out or you want to stay logged in. So simply tap on the logout option in order to log out of your Twitch account. Once you do that, you'll successfully log out of your Twitch account in the Twitch application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.